Hi everybody, it's Victoria. Today I wanted to come and show you my suede bag collection so far. Um, I don't know why, but I have been scared of suede. In spite of that, I have a steadily growing collection. Um, this video is inspired by a person that I just randomly ran into recently who was carrying a vintage suede handbag that was secondhand, and it looked incredible to me. And so it got me thinking that suede suede is durable. I somehow had it in my head that it was too high maintenance, and so even though I do treat my bags, I don't seem to reach for my suede bags a lot, but that is going to change. I will tell you very quickly before I start showing you all the bags is that I was caught in the rain once by accident. I didn't check the weather, my fault, with this bag, and I was super scared and worried, and but I'll tell you why. When it dried out, the bag looked perfect. And I know that because two reasons. My understanding is that Coach does treat their suede somehow, but I also treat my suede, and I will show you the product that I use in this video. So welcome. I'm Victoria, and this is a contemporary handbag channel. I'm a self-proclaimed handbag fanatic, and so I'm guessing that if you're here, you're probably, as obsessed with handbags as I am. I'm partial to Coach. So every bag I'm going to show you that is suede is from Coach. Okay, friends, let's get into this video. Okay, let me just show you the products I use. Two things. Excuse me. This here is the spray I use. It's the Shoe Clinic Suede Protector. This thing is incredible. I've used other products before, but this one, for some reason, I think this one works best for me, has been my experience. When I first got it, they do recommend that you test a small spot on your bag, maybe on the bottom, just to see that you don't have any issue. I did that. And this is the product that was on that bag when I was caught in the rain. And so yeah, Shoe Clinic, I get this from Amazon. I think I pay maybe $10 or $12, I'm not sure. But yeah, so you can get this anywhere though. This is at Walmart. I will also put a link in this video. The other thing I also use is a Suede Brush. Okay, this one here was gifted to me by someone at Coach when I bought my Chelsea. Someone give it to me there. So anyway, but yeah, so just a brush and this. That's all I do. So I would just spray the bag. They ask that, or they recommend when I spray my bag, I spray it out, in the open area where there's more ventilation. So you spray the bag, and then it dries an hour. I wait maybe 1 to 2 hours, and then I spray it again. And then once it dries, I take my brush and I just brush it. I don't know if it's the right or wrong way, but that's how I do it. So I would just brush the bag, and that's all I do with these suede bags. I do this even though I don't use my suede bags often. Well, again, that's gonna change. When I am cleaning my leather bags or refreshing them, I do, clean my leather bags maybe once a month. I also would grab my suede bags and spray them and do the same thing. I generally take care of my bags, my leather ones though, especially monthly. I have a video how I maintain my bag. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you my collection so far. Suede. I'm gonna start with my bigger ones. This is the Brooklyn 39. This color is sand. I absolutely love this bag. This is the first Brooklyn bag that this was the second one. The first one was the ruby, but this was my first suede bag, and I remember being nervous getting this one, but the bag was just so pretty to me. And I love the 39s. They look good on me. I do love oversized bag, as you all know. But yeah, this is my Brooklyn 39 in sand. This is my Brooklyn 39 in the fringe. I love this one. And I recently profiled her. She was my bag of the day, maybe a couple weeks ago. She is stunning. I think this bag is still available on some sites. No longer at Coach, but I think Amazon had it. Last when I showed this bag, I did look. I found it on Amazon and on another site. I will link as many of these bags as I can if they're available. But this is the Brooklyn 39 fringe. These are so cute. I'm gonna put these down here. My Rowan, large Rowan in the suede. She is adorable. Coach is releasing a suede Rowan next week or this week. Today's Sunday, so a newer Rowan is coming. I think from what I've seen on TikTok, the difference is she's coming with the shorter shoulder strap, but looks pretty much like this. So I'm keeping mine. I'm not getting that one. There's no need to get that one. But yeah, this is my Rowan, my large Rowan in the, what was this color called? Chocolate. I put the color name in the video if I remember. But yeah, so pretty, super nice. This is my Chelsea 36. This bag is everything. I adore this bag. Ugh. The Chelsea is so good. Warm brown suede. When I got her, I could not get out of this bag for days. Friends, when I tell you days, I change my bags daily, but for some reason, I just couldn't get out of this bag. I just wanted to carry her every day. And oh yeah, the Chelsea bag is so good. But yeah, that's my Chelsea in the warm brown suede. And my Barrel Kiss Lock. This is the larger of the two, and she's also in the warm brown suede. This bag is so pretty. Love her. So good. This is my Barrel Kiss Lock. Love this bag. Warm brown suede. What else? Oh, my Bleecker bucket bag, and she is in the olive suede. She is fabulous. This bag is so fabulous. Bleeckers are so good. This is another style of bag from Coach that I love, and I have a few of. I do have a collection video of my Bleeckers on my channel. So yeah, this is the olive suede Bleecker. Love it. Bleeckers don't come with feet. They do have very minimum branding for those that, you know, care about that stuff. So cute. And my last two suede bags are, I got them recently on sale. This is the Lana 19. This little bag is so cute. I used her yesterday. I did work yesterday. Yesterday was Saturday, and I had her. She is just so stunning. I did treat her with that suede protector. So that is the Lana 19. She is on sale currently at Coach online, I believe. She was, can't remember the price. I'll put prices in the video. If she is still available, I will check before I post this video, and I will put it up. Okay, friends. But this bag is so cute. The 19. Love the Lana. And my last one is her. She's the Empire 21, and I haven't even taken the thing off her yet. She is also on sale. I think she is sold out on the website, but she was still available in the store. So I think if you wanted, you know, the Empire 21 disc bag currently, I would either call Coach customer service to see if they can track down where the bag is located and then give you the store number. Or if you have a SA, you could always reach out to them and see if they still have this one in their store. That's how I got her, because I called my SA and he said, yep, we still got her. So he held it for me and I went and grabbed her. Love her. This is the Empire 21 and this is the clay. Oh, I think I vlogged, I think you guys saw me when I grabbed this bag. But yeah, so not available on coach.com, but pretty much sure that is they still have these in the store. And friends, I'm just going to tell you right now, the Empire 34 in suede is on sale. I am going to get me that bag. I love the Empire 34. I just posted a video on it. And so I'm thinking with that sale price, this is the time to get it, and I will get it. So yeah, that would be my next suede bag. Yeah, so friends, I'm not going to be afraid to wear suede anymore. Hold me accountable to this. If you enjoy the content that you're seeing on this channel, it really would help me if you would like the video and subscribe if you haven't. So yeah, it's fun over here, and feel free to let me know if there's something you want me to look into. If you have a special video request, I have been doing my best to accommodate those requests when I'm asked. So yeah, I'm just happy that you're here, and thank you for stopping by. Okay.